meet and greet. Okay, Quincy, there's so many of them today. How would you like to welcome them? Welcome! Oh, did you catch that? Quincy actually said, welcome to Parrot Paradise. Let's hear that one more time, shall we? Okay, you ready? Welcome them. Welcome, Parrot Paradise. Very good, great job. So earlier on, we heard Quincy imitate the sound of the rooster. This time, he's going to imitate the sound of a very fierce cat. The cat's a little bit sleepy, yeah, but you get the gist, right? Okay, can we impress everyone even further this time? How about the sound of a ringing telephone? Let's give it up for Quincy, ladies and gentlemen. Beautiful job.
So parrots imitate sounds and calls made by their family member in the world. So when you imitate human sounds, they are just doing what they hear around them.
That's right. In our case, Quincy and Amigo's family members will be the Mandai staff.
Hi Mandai staff! Okay, so now let's hear our yellow-named Amazon parrot mimic some sounds, shall we? Now, would you like to say hello?
Hello.
Wow, what a very sweet hello. Now let's get him to introduce himself. Can you tell everyone what's your name?
Amigo.
Did you catch that? Okay, one more time. Now what's your name?
Amigo.
Amigo! So Amigo is his name. Now Amigo, how would you like to greet all of these nice people?
How are
Wow! Did you hear that? He's asking how are you? So how are all of you doing this afternoon? Good? Yes, great to hear that. Now Amigo will be singing a very special song. By any chance, any one of you celebrating your birthday today? Just raise up your hand if it's your birthday, anyone? Let me see. Oh, okay. I see a few hands up. Well, you know what? This special song goes to those of you who are celebrating your birthday today, okay? Now, Amigo, let's sing for them, shall we? Let's sing it.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
There you go. Your birthday so far, Amigo. Thank you, Amigo. Happy birthday to those of you who are celebrating your birthday. And thank you for celebrating right here in Bird Paradise. Yomi, I must say that was really amazing.
Yes.